This is Deepak Kumar here, and today this tutorial is about WooCommerce. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add products to your WooCommerce store. If you want to run an e-commerce store, then WooCommerce can be very useful for you. There are various other plugins that you can use, but I prefer WooCommerce. WooCommerce provides you a lot of features through which you can easily run your e-commerce store, and most of the features are free, but if you are looking for some specific features, then you will have to pay for it. So today in this tutorial I am going to tell you how you can add products to your e-commerce store. So this is the dashboard of iCommerce, which is our e-commerce store. This is the post section. This is the media section. If we want to add product, we will directly go to the product section. This is the product section. I hope all of you are aware about WordPress, and you have a basic knowledge of WordPress, about plugins, posts, and all type of stuff. So I'm assuming that you have a basic knowledge of WordPress, and we will directly move on to product area. This is the product area. So we have to add a new product, so we will go to add new. We will click on add new button. So I have just clicked it. So it will open up a window like this, and adding a product is not difficult. It is quite easy. It is very similar to adding a post. Some of the features are there which vary, but it is quite similar to adding a post in your WordPress, in your WooCommerce. Sorry, in your WordPress website. So here you will add the name of the product, the title of the product, that will be visible on your product homepage. So let us just add a product over here. I'm just showing you a sample how to add a product. So this is the title, and after adding title, you can add title should be quite attractive. You can add the amount of the percentage discount you are offering. Like we can add up to 35% off. So this is one of our product that we are having in our stock, i9s TWS AirPods, and they are compatible with both iOS and Android smartphones. After adding title, you can add a basic description about the product. Like here we are adding i9s TWS AirPods, so we will add something about some description about these products. This product. So these are AirPods, so we will write something like this. You can add a catchy introduction, a title, and after title you can add a catchy introduction. Okay, so I'm just leaving it. You can add some description according to your requirement, according to your products. So after writing the first paragraph, you can add the features. You can add a section of features of i9s TWS AirPods. So if you have to bold it, just click on the bold button, and this particular button will make a bulleted list for you. Just click on it and add the features. Easy to connect, compatible with both iOS and Android smartphones, and free AirPods case, long battery backup. So if you are using an AirPod, these are not the original ones, but for example, if you are using AirPods, so everyone wishes to have a longer battery life. Everyone wishes that their AirPod should have a battery backup for a longer duration. So i9s TWS AirPod, they have a very good battery backup. So we will write this as a bulleted point as a feature of the product: long battery backup. And easy to charge. Trendy. And like this, you can add all the points which matches with your product. After adding these points, you will select the category. To select the category, just go to the right section, to the product category section, and we have already made a lot of categories over here. So we will select the specific category for i9s TWS. So it will come under mobile accessories. Okay, here it is, mobile accessories. We will check it. Now we will add the product tags. For example, i9s will be one of the tag. Then i9s TWS AirPods and Bluetooth earphones can also be a tag. So I'm leaving this description area for you. You can write a catchy description. Okay. So let us now move to the product attribute area, the product data. So WooCommerce offers you different types of product categories. For example, first of all, by default it will be a simple product, and then grouped product, then external or affiliate product, then variable product. In simple product, there will not be any variations in the color and size. For example, if you have a product that is not having any variation in size and color, let it be simple product only. And for example, if you are adding t-shirts and t-shirts of the same brand, and they are having different sizes like M, L, XL, double XL, like this, and they must be having different colors, so you can add a variation of them. To add variation, you will have to go to the variable product area. That is a different procedure. So first of all, we will talk about the simple product. It does not have any color variation. i9s TWS